Welcome all of you. So today we learn about breeding of bitter gourd. We start the floral biology and breeding methods of the bitter gourd crop. One by one we discuss. First, introduction of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is botanical name is Momordica charantia. It also known as balsam pear, bitter cucumber, bitter melon. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 2x is equal to 22, grown for its nutritive value and medicinal purpose or medicinal property. Number of times farmer grow for its nutritive value and medicinal properties. It is a rich source of iron and vitamin C. Summer and rainy season is good for cultivation of the bitter gourd crop. Next, its origin and distribution. First, it is originated at Indo-Burma region, according to the scientist Garnison in 1977. Native of tropical Asia, particularly eastern India and southern China. Then it also grown in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore and extensively grown on China, Japan, Southeast Asia, tropical Africa and South America. Then food value and its uses. See the tender fruits, it is economical importance. Green color of fruits, orange, that is yellow color or ripe. Then iron and vitamin C rich, that is up to 0.61 milligram and 88 milligram per 100 gram of fruit. Then calcium 20 milligram, phosphorus 70 milligram and carotene, that is 126 microgram. Then medicinal value of the bitter gourd crop. It is curing diabetes patient. It used or for cure the diabetic patient due to its content charatin, that is chemical content, and asthma, blood diseases and rheumatism like that. Roots and stems of wild bitter gourd are used Ayurvedic medicine. Fruits are easily digestible and act as a laxative effect. And next, other uses of bitter gourds. Store as dry vegetables. Cucurbitacin, that is bitter glucoside, helps in preventing spoilage of cooked vegetables of bitter gourd. Then cooked vegetable to remain fit for consumption for 2 to 3 days. Then next, botanical classification, that is kingdom Planta, division Plantagoleophyta, class Mangolipophyta, order Cucurbitaceae, family Cucurbitaceae, genus Momordica, species Charantia. Then botany of bitter gourd, that is its what number of genus, number of species of the bitter gourd, that is Momordica charantia. It is used for cultivated. Then Momordica charantia variety Muricata, that is high, bitter and small fruit, wild type. Then Momordica dioica, that is also known as cockerel spine gourd. Next one, Momordica cochin chinensis, is also known as sweet gourd of Assam. And last one, that is Momordica balsamina. It is immature fruits are used as a vegetable for preparation of pickles. Okay, these are the different species of the bitter gourd. Then it is some important floral biology of the bitter gourd. That is, it is a monoecious annual climber. See the image. Then 5 angle stem and furrowed. Then tendrils simple and forked. Flowers calyx 5 petalae, corolla rotated platelet near to the base. Stamens 5 filaments free and anther fused. Style short terminated by 3 bilobed or divided stigma. Then see the female and male flower of the bitter gourd crop, the yellow color flower of bitter gourd crop. The longitudinal section of the flowers. See the anther, corolla, calyx, nectary, filaments like in female flower, corolla, stigma, style, nectary, calyx, ovary, ovule, etc. Then fruits. The fruits are pendulous, fusiform, ribbed with tuberous. See the fruits of the bitter gourd. Then seeds are brownish in color. Then pollen viability and stigma receptivity. These are the important point for the hybridization in bitter gourd crop. Anthesis time is that is opening of flower in morning, that is 4 to 7 am. Anther dehiscence time, that is 5 am to the 7:30 am in morning. The stigma is receptive in between, that is 24 hours before and after anthesis 2 days. And pollination is done by honeybees and bumblebees. Then some important breeding objective for bitter gourd. First, early fruiting, high female to male ratio, thick fruit suitable for stuffing, fruit size variation as per the consumer preference, high yield, number of fruits and weight of the fruits, it depends upon directly the high yield, resistant to the fruit fly, red pumpkin beetle and Epilachna beetles, resistant to mosaic virus. These are the important breeding objective of bitter gourd. Next, genetics of plant and fruit characters. These are the monoecious. One gene is responsible for the um, drastic change in a fruit, that is a fruit color is monogenic, and seed color also, seed size. Okay, these are the bitterness in fruit is the quantity emitted. These are the genetic characters of the bitter gourd. Then breeding methods: single plant selection, mass selection, pedigree method, bulk population, heterosis breeding, mutation breeding, polyploidy breeding, interspecific hybridization, intergeneric hybridization, resistant breeding, breeding for quality. Okay. And next, selfing. Cover the mature flower bud by using paper bag. Get the pollen from the male flower of the same plant and dusted on the stigmatic surface of the female flower, and cover the pollinated flower by paper bag. Okay. Then crossing. The female flowers ready to open in the next day are covered by the paper bag, then rubbing the pollen of the desirable male flower to the stigma of female flower, then cover the crosser flower by butter paper bag for few days. See the image. Then lastly, conclusion of bitter gourd breeding point of view. Very little attention was given to improve the quality and production of this crop. Bitter, breeding for self-staked varieties which are high yielding and early bearing are a few of the objectives in bitter gourd improvement. There is a great scope to exploit heterosis in this crop. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you all of you.